Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke wheels, black MB-Tex interior with a dark linden wood trim, panorama sunroof, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo covered, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, heated steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, pedal shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 17,999 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.